The most interesting store in the world.
Hey, Dennis.
What is it? I'm working on something very important here. Could you see that? I'm at the design station.
Boo! Yeah!
Boo!
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm the Educational and Program Director at the 3D Printing Store, where we do programming for people of all ages.
Oh, hello. Yes, this is Justin. Yep. No, we'd love to get that press release right out to you guys this week. That would be great. Thank you so much for your help. We appreciate it. Oh, hello. Hi, I'm Justin. I'm the Social Media and Marketing Director at the 3D Printing Store. Thank you so much for coming by.
Oh, hi there. My name's Caleb, and life was tough as a young male with chronic peach fuzz. But things all changed when I came to the 3D Printing Store. They printed me a mustache, and they gave me a job as the 3D Printing Store webmaster. Come visit our website at the3dprintingstore.com.
Hello, I'm a designer at the 3D Printing Store, working on a froggy.
Hello, I'm Deborah. I'm the owner of the 3D Printing Store. I'm doing some quality control checking on our Colorado button project. We opened the 3D Printing Store to give an opportunity for 3D printing to all kinds of people, small businesses, individuals, artists, and we've been wildly successful, and we're having a great time here at the 3D Printing Store. Thanks for stopping by. Come back and see us. Ow.
The 3D Printing Store. This store is the brainchild of two college friends who have a passion for technology. Over many years and through many of the avenues, they both were exposed to 3D printing. They researched the idea for a business that used 3D printing in a customer-facing sense and discovered there was great demand for such a concept. In order to meet the demands of the new 3D consumer, as well as a consumer familiar with 3D printing, we hired a talented group of designers and team members. With this group and the cutting-edge technology of our machines, we were able to provide a wide range of services. Come stop by sometime in person or online. We would love to print your ideas.